elk meat that Katie gave me to my best friend, one of my best friends, TJ, his daughter. She went to Colorado elk hunting. I'm sorry, mule deer hunting. And she got her a mule deer, so she brought me back some meat. And they also brought me back a deer hide from Virginia. But we're gonna see if we can get a fire started and cook that elk meat. And I think I got some kind of a rice-like stuff that we got. But anyway, I just thought I'd come down here this afternoon and do that. So anyway, let's see if I can gather up some stuff to start a fire. I may have to use Leon's cotton balls because, man, it is wet. The cedar bark and everything's even wet today. I got some fat wood. Probably better to cut it, but I'm gonna do it the quickest and easiest way. Here's one of the batons I made when I was up in the mountains. Get my gloves. Just to be safe. Still gonna have to gather up a little bit of wood. Looks like. We can split this up. I might be able to do this with my hand. Won't even need my baton. I'll split a bunch of this up. I won't bother you with it when I get it ready. Let's see. I don't know if any of this right here will... Get my hand too closer. I found some leaves up under here that was a little bit dry. I'll put some of that on here maybe. Hate to pick it up and touch it. Just extra moisture. I got these feather sticks over here if I can ever get it kind of started, so we'll see. I'll be down, I never would have believed it. Uh-oh, it's trying to go out. Cotton ball. It is just wet. Yeah, that cotton ball's still going under there. Still got to have little sticks and you know, to get it going. So I got some wood over there I'll put on here when I get a little bit bigger. But I got a bunch of fat wood. I guess smoke's good, ain't it? Although you can't see me. I said I was going to move this thing today. I think I got it now. Get some wood. Here's some. I forgot. I broke all these sticks off of the top of the cedar. There's some more fat wood. Whoop. Just gonna have to dry out and then go. Anyway, I'll come back. All right, put some water on there boiling. Okay, see if I can find my grill to get Katie's mule deer going. I bought this several years ago and I ain't used it. I think I might have used it once, cooked the fish on it. Yep, I've used it. Let's see. Cut may have to get moved. Kind of hot, ain't it? It'll die down in a minute. Get my water boiling though. Get the water boiling. We can make some, let me get these. Get the noodles. This is a mushroom pasta blend rice. That's a lot. I ain't gonna be able to eat all that, so I'm gonna put about half. We'll save the other half. And then some, get us some coffee. Alright, got my little elk fillet. Right there, I'm gonna put some, find my sauce. Here it is. I got too much stuff going too many different directions. Put a little of this on there. Whoa, Nelly! Got to flip the top. It's already getting smutty right there on that side. I don't want it to get smutty. I guess that's what I'm cooking on. Is I got too much fat wood in there, so it's gonna. This is that redeyedhog.com. That stuff's pretty good. Wish it didn't have all that fat wood on there. It's gonna make it probably need to just get me a stick to flip that steak. It's kind of muddy. Still a little muddy down here. Don't let me forget about that water. I don't want to mess Katie's meat up. I better get me a glove too, just in case, because I'm bad about doing that. Let's check this. Woo! It is hot. Yeah, it's just about boiling. Get that off in a minute and I can work with the steak a little bit better. There we go. Yeah, it's getting some black on it, some smut, but from the all that fat wood I'm having to put on there because it's everything's so damp. I knew better than do that. Hear the blue jays. I'm glad y'all down here with me today. Just doing a little cooking. Katie got she's got her a deer skin too that she's working on, like I'm working on mine. She's a little bit ahead of me. I think she's already put hers in a salt bath or something. I've still got to finish fleshing mine. But I got to get on the ball because we're going to Tennessee next week. I hope I get to go to More to Life Outfitters. Jack Turner was telling me about that at the camp out that we had last weekend. You know, they sell all kind of. Oh, got a good bull. All right, let's get that off, and let's pour it in the rice. Woo! I don't see how it don't melt that plastic. And pour it in my coffee. And then we'll set it over by the fire and keep it warm until my steak gets done. And that rice should be hydrating. Boy, I'm all sprawled out again, ain't I? Here it is. Thought I said I lost my spoon. I don't see how this little accordion plastic thing doesn't melt when you pour that hot water in it, but it works. And it folds down nice and small, so it works pretty good. I almost lost my flipper. Trying to keep it away from that direct black soot. Move the rock out of the way, and I'm gonna put it down there closer to them coals down there and see. It looks like it's getting a good brown look now. Them coals are hot. Oh yeah, got a little flame over there. Oh, getting a little heat from the top and the bottom now. Woo! It's amazing how that rice, you put all that extra water in it, it ends up soaking it all up. You know, you can't get much funner than this. Sitting in the woods, got a good campfire going. Of course, it's a little damp, a little hard to get it going, but then, you know, cooking mule deer meat and rice and coffee. The only thing that could be better if I had my lean-to swung around on the west side so that the smoke wouldn't be coming to me. Heard a gun. Somebody must have got him a deer. This elk's gonna be a lot better than whitetail though. The little grill works pretty good. If I'd, you know, had time to let coals really get down there, it would really be. But it's actually doing pretty good now. It's not as smutty as it was. Maybe it won't be too much longer. Maybe I need to move the camera over there. Might be better. I don't know. Now the smoke's moving though. Seems to always be going that way or that way. So, and sometimes this way. I think I'll put me a little hot sauce in my rice. I don't know why I like everything so hot. I just do. Like jalapenos and uh-oh, my accordion almost went down. I almost can't wait. I'm hungry. We got it down there now. Well, it needs to be. Let's see. Good coals. Uh-oh. Shouldn't be too much longer. Got us some rice, some coffee. See if I can pick this up with my glove. Got us a little piece of elk meat going. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna put some jalapenos on there with it. I don't think it likes a lot. Let me see. Just set it up here and check it real quick. I like my little grill. My little turning stick worked pretty good too. Let's see what it looks like. I don't like mine raw, but that right there, boys, is pretty good. Yep. I know most of y'all probably say, oh, that's too done, but I like mine just a little bit. I like it medium well sometimes, but that right there is like way medium well. But anyway, got us a good fire going. Don't burn all the hair off my arm. Okay. Let me get my plate. We'll get this thing fixed up here so y'all can tell what I got. Get my spoon. Cut this so y'all can see it in a minute. I need a spoon fork. I think I got a fork in there, but I'm just gonna use this. Okay. And y'all gonna gripe at me about it being done too much, but that's okay. Some rice. Put me a little hot sauce, a little bit more. And some, what else we got? Coffee. Oh, almost forgot my jalapenos. Okay, all right, I'm gonna let y'all see this. Look at there. I got Katie Curvin's mule deer, jalapenos, and rice. It's gonna be good. Mule deer is delicious. Mmm. Okay, I'm not gonna bore y'all with me eating. I'm gonna eat and then I'll get back with you, and I'll probably use that hot water to wash up my dishes before I go. But Katie, thank you for the mule deer meat. It's delicious. I've still got like 3 more pieces of it up there that I'll probably carry on a different camp out. But thanks a lot, and I'll finish eating and we'll talk some more. You always got to clean up when you get through, so. Put this hot water in there, clean it right up. Anyway, I'll finish all that in a minute. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my channel. We'll try to do something different. We're going to the Smoky Mountains this coming up next weekend, and I got some stuff I got to do with the church. I think I told y'all that before, but I'll be maybe I can get a video in the mountains, and maybe it'll snow, and I can put up my. I'll have to study on how to put the tarp up, so I'll do better than I did at the late last week. But put it up and maybe just make some coffee. I ain't never did anything in the snow, and so being from down here in Alabama. So anyway, and then I may move my lean-to over there as soon as I get a chance. But anyway, thanks for watching me. Keep everything in your life lined up. Keep God first, family second. and the rest I'll line up with you. But anyway, thanks for watching. Great Camper out.